Hello, good morning, friend. Today I'm going to explain the trains of oxidation state of the group 16 elements. So, dear friends, the when you see the group 16 element, group 16, so what you will find, friends, that group 16 elements is having 6 electron, 6 valence electron. Of 6 valence electron means, friend, to complete octet, 2 electron required to complete octet, required to complete octet. It means what? That is 2 electron required to complete octet. It means the minus 2 will be the general oxidation state. Minus 2 is general oxidation state. Why? General oxidation state. Why minus 2 is the general oxidation state, friend? Because the 2 electron is required to complete the octet. So this is the negative oxidation state. Along with this, that is group 16 elements, like that they can remove the 6 electron also. Okay, so when remove 6 electron, when it is removing 6 electron, so it will show the plus 6. Okay, in case of inert pair effect, in case of inert pair effect, in case of inert pair effect, inert pair effect, inert pair effect, friend, what is inert pair effect? That is ns2 electron not taking part, ns2 electron not taking part in, ns2 electron not taking part in oxidation state, taking part in oxidation state, part in oxidation state. So in case of ns2 electron not taking part in oxidation state, so out of 6 electron how many left? 4. So it will represent the 4 oxidation state also. So dear friend, what I am saying here in the beginning, that it will show the minus 2 oxidation state, and along with that, when it is releasing the electrons, so it will show the plus 6 oxidation state, and in case of inert pair effect, that is it will represent plus 4 oxidation state. Now friend, what I am going to do, I am going to study the trends of stability of this oxidation state. So when you are talking about the stability of minus 2 oxidation state, stability of minus 2 oxidation state. So oxidation state, so how can you will be able to understand the stability of minus 2 oxidation state? That when you this depends on electronegativity, electronegativity negativity electronegativity. Higher the electronegativity, higher the electronegativity, higher the electronegativity negativity, higher the stability of minus 2 oxidation state, stability of minus 2 oxidation state. It means oxidation state, it means when you are moving down the group, okay, on moving down the group, what will happen? Moving down the group, stability decreases. Moving down the group, stability of minus 2 oxidation state decreases, minus 2 oxidation state decreases, oxidation state decreases. What is meaning of this, friend? What is meaning of this? When you are moving down the group, metallic character increases. On moving down the group, metallic character increases. As it means metallic character increases, it means electronegativity also decreases. So if you talk about the oxygen, okay, so O2 minus, okay, then next one, when you are talking about sulfur, S2 minus, then selenium, 2 minus, tellurium 2 minus, and polonium, polonium is also minus 2. So when you are going down the group, stability decreases. So this is the order will be what is the most stable minus 2 oxidation state will be in the case of oxygen. So stability of, here we can write here is stability of minus 2 oxidation state decreases. Minus 2 oxidation state decreases down the group. Why, friend? Here is minus 2. When you are talking about the minus 2, hardly represent minus 2 PO hardly represent minus 2, hardly represent minus 2, represents minus 2 oxidation state. Why, friend? Hardly represent minus 2 oxidation state if you talk about, because this is the metal, and in case of metal they never represent the positive oxidation state. That is why the polonium is hardly represent minus 2 oxidation state. Now let us move the other oxidation state, friends. When you are talking about the other oxidation state we can see that is plus C oxidation state, plus 6. So stability of plus 6 oxidation state, plus 6 oxidation state. So what would be the stability of plus 6 oxidation state? If you talk about the plus 6 oxidation state, that is stability of plus 6 oxidation state, plus 6 oxidation state decreases. Oxidation state decreases down the group, why decreases, student, down the group? Why it is decreases? Due to inert pair effect, Now we have to understand that is why this is happening. So if you talk about the oxygen cannot remove the all the 6 electron. So oxygen will not represent, oxygen here is no plus 6. Okay, oxygen will no plus 6. So sulfur, selenium, tellurium and polonium also will not represent plus 6. Why it will not represent, student? Oxygen most electronegative. So oxygen is most electronegative, that is why it will not represent, it cannot remove. And here is polonium is what is high inert pair effect. Okay, high inert pair effect. Inert pair effect, in down the group, when you are going down the group, inert pair effect, what is happening? Inert pair effect is increasing. So inert pair effect is increasing. It means what will happen, friend? It means what will happen? The stability of the plus 6 oxidation state will decrease, because S electron is NH2 electron, no NH2 electron. So NH2 electron not there means plus 4 is there. So plus 4 stability will increase, but plus 6 stability is decrease. So this is the, when you are talking about, that is the polonium will represent, but very hardly polonium will represent. So when you are going this one, so this is the decreasing order of stability. This is the decreasing order of stability of plus 6 oxidation state, Now friend, what we have to understand, now the next one more oxidation state is there, and that is oxidation state is plus 4. So let us study the stability of plus 4 oxidation state. Now when you are talking about the stability of plus 4 oxidation state, so here it is the interesting is there in this plus 4 oxidation state. So it represent in case of it represents in case of what, in case of inert pair effect, in case of inert pair effect. So up now stability also depends on inert pair effect. So oxygen it will not represent, oxygen will not represent because most electronegative, second most electronegative element of the known element. So S, sulfur will represent sulfur, selenium, tellurium, okay, polonium. But stability, what will happen friend, stability increases, okay. So down the group stability increases, group stability increases. अब how stability increases friend, stability increases, how stability increases if you talk about, because ns2 electron is not taking part, ns2 electron is not taking part means how many left, 4 is left, and inert pair effect increases down the group. Why inert pair effect increases? Because we know that is the DNF orbital involved, DNF block elements are there, they have diffuse shape. So nuclear charge will increase and ns2 electron will not take part in the bond formation. So here is the stability, what we can write, increasing order of stability of plus 4 oxidation state, down the group. So this is all about the trends of oxidation state of the group 16 element. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching friends.